Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all my super quick DIY avocado deep conditioner. So let's get started. We are starting with the most important ingredient, which is avocado. I absolutely love avocado. It tastes so good. It's just pretty. My favorite color is lime green. So yeah, I just had a little moment. So right after that, we're going to add some honey, which will be 1 tablespoon. And then we're going to add in some coconut oil, and I used 2 tablespoons, and I actually melted the coconut oil for about 30 seconds, and then I added it to the mixture. Next, I added 1 drop of Argon Oil, and then I just poured in some avocado oil. Didn't measure that, unfortunately. And I also added in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, but I didn't catch that on camera, so my bad, y'all. So now that we are all mixed up, it is time to apply it to my hair. I do apply this in 4 sections. As you see me split my sections up, I typically go from root to tip, and I try to pay a lot of attention to the ends, to those tips, especially because I still have color on my ends. I definitely want to make sure the avocado conditioner is getting in. I kind of like finger rake the avocado through my hair. If you use deep conditioner in your hair care regimen, let me know which brands are you using, or do you all use some other type of deep conditioner that you make at home, like another DIY. I'm so interested in trying new homemade products, so please let me know in the comments. And also make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, also hit that notification bell so you can be notified as soon as my video drops. I truly appreciate all of the support that I've been getting from everyone. Like, y'all are the bomb.com. No, people don't say that anymore. Well, y'all lit. I don't know, whatever. Oh, y'all see that look on my face? I am like really concentrating. I'm so focused. Y'all see it, the focus. So we're going to zoom in a little bit as I continue on. And really, this video is just kind of showing you a more in-depth as to like what it takes. It does not take more than about 15 minutes to do this. I feel like in total, from you making it to you applying it, like it shouldn't take you no more. Okay. Yeah, it shouldn't take you no more than like 15 minutes to get through this process. It does just depend on how long your hair is. Then that may add to the length of time. But it's not a long process. So y'all can start deep conditioning. Make sure, again, you really concentrate on those ends. This is what I am implementing throughout my hair growth journey that I just started. I've already started my Hairfinity peels. I will have a video coming out in a couple of weeks talking more about that. So please be on the lookout for that video. Don't get it twisted. Now my entire head is completely covered, and I will be leaving this on for 1 hour. Then, of course, style my hair, and voila, there you go. Moisturized, beautiful, bouncy curls. I am just loving my hair. I will see you all in the next video, and always remember, I'm a little different, and different is love. See you guys later.